Hey guys, this is Ash. Hi. I'm going to be showing you Margaret, my cat's entire family. So, let's begin. So there's Cutie, her niece, and hang on guys. Okay, so this is Margaret's whole family. But her niece is Cutie, and we're gonna say Margaret's whole family, but how they're related to Cutie. Alright, let's go. So there's Cutie, Tail, Cutie's father, White Meow, Cutie's mother, Mange, Cutie's brother, Stacy, Cutie's sister, Midnight, Cutie's husband, Bob, Cutie's grandfather, Feisty, Cutie's grandmother, Weird Pea Cat, Cutie's uncle. I just called that one that because it pees on the bush all the time. White Boots, Cutie's uncle. Fluffy, Cutie's aunt. Meow Meow, Cutie's aunt. Margaret, Cutie's aunt. Bear, Cutie's sister-in-law. And Bobtail, Cutie's great uncle. Yeah, that's the whole family. My cats are very cute. Meow Meow is probably the first cat that I got to bring in the house ever. This was her. Look how cute she is. And now look at her. This cat is horrifying. I'm not taking it personally, but I don't. Would you want to wake up in your bed and see this? Literally. You do not want to see this when you wake up. Here's a little comparison. Take a screenshot if you want to. Bye-bye.